Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Mousetrap Genius. Today, we're going to be reviewing the Mr. Beam's motion sensing LED nightlights. As you have seen from several of our other videos, we have reviewed and loved many Mr. Beam's products, and they have graciously sent us these lights to review for you guys. The Mr. Beam 723 motion sensing lights come in packs of 1, 3, 4, and 6. Today, we're going to be reviewing the pack of 3 lights. Each light produces 20 lumens, which, as we discovered, is perfect for lighting up small rooms or spaces without being blinding to an unadjusted eye. While these lights work great in conjunction with each other, they are powerful enough to work on their own, which allows you to use them in multiple locations, even with just the 3 lights. These lights come with some great energy-saving features. One of them is their motion detector, which says it will pick up motion up to 15 feet away, and when we tested it, it held up to its word. When we got about 16 feet or more away, it did not pick up anything, but as soon as we were within 15 feet, it would kick on. The only thing that we did notice was about 15 feet away, you had to be directly in front of the sensor. Now, if you got about 10 feet or closer, you could be maybe 5 or 10 feet away from the light on either side and it would kick on. But about 15 feet away, you've almost got to walk directly in front of it for it to kick on. The other energy-saving feature that it has is the photocell, which says it should only kick on in darkness. And as you can see, it's not on and the batteries are installed. And so as soon as we turn off the lights, it comes right on. Another thing I really like about these lights is how easy they are to install. They come with 2 options for installation, the mounting hardware or the double-sided adhesive. We chose to use the double-sided adhesive for a faster installation. To install the lights, you'll first need to remove the adhesive plate from the back of the light in order to access the battery compartment. Once you've taken that plate off, you can unscrew the 2 screws to open the battery compartment and put in your 4 AA's. Remember that the batteries do not come included with the lights, so you'll need to make sure to grab some of those as well when you purchase the lights. Once you've installed the batteries, you can screw the lid back on, and if you're planning to use the adhesive, you can actually leave that plate off for the time being because we will stick the adhesive on it and it to the wall before we place the light on it. Each light is powered by 4 AA batteries, but because they're LED, you get a lot more bang for your buck, especially with their 30-second automatic shutoff. Each set of batteries should last up to 80 hours, and the LED lights are rated for up to 50,000 hours of use. You can place them near entrances to your house or building, which works great for nights when you're carrying something and can't hit a light switch. Or you could put it in your bathroom or kitchen for late night visits. These lights are even equipped with a waterproof seal, allowing for placement outside the home or in a basement crawl space area. So, awesome product with tons of applications. We were really impressed with these lights and we hope that you are too. If you're interested in using these in your own home, we'll place a link to them on Amazon down in the video description below. And if you decide to purchase them or anything else, we would be honored if you use our links. We'll also include a link to some AA batteries because these lights don't come included with batteries. Thanks so much for watching another episode of Mousetrap Genius. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel or hit the bell icon for notifications, please be sure to do that. We'll have many more videos coming out soon to help you with your lawn, garden, and pest control needs. Thank you again and have a beaming day.